folks, it's me again. What am I doing? I'm cleaning off a tool here that, no, I didn't buy it. This came to me as a package deal of old shit that nobody wanted. So, I was just going to a random YouTube channel and realized, oh yeah, I do have one of those. And guess what it is? It's one of these suckers. Everybody remember these? I don't. I remember my dad having an old tool, but everybody remember these suckers? The 9-volt battery. I actually have one battery. I don't think it's any good. It's a 9.6 volt nickel cadmium Makita 9000 battery. Rapid charging battery. Well, anyway, in my haste of whatever, I got one of these. And lo and behold, here's the fun thing. I got a whole bunch of old Makita tools. I got this one right here too. An old, basically a motor with a switch. I don't think there's a safety on this thing. Is there safety? What is that? Yeah, I got a little safety switch in here, which pretty much is in the middle. That's it. That's it. That's all she wrote. And I guess there's a water it's a tile cutting. I guess there's a water attachment here. Or I don't know. Maybe they'll spray out water, whatever. I should clean it. I'm going to clean this all up. Get it all nice and clean. And maybe repaint the black things. But this is cool. I was like, yeah, what do we do with them? I was going to throw them on the garbage, but I was like, I don't know. Maybe I'll just hang them on the wall. Until I found out something really cool. Let me put this down. There we go. Something really cool about this is, you go on Amazon, you can buy brand new batteries for these. Like $30 for 2 of them. So I'm going to go on Amazon next month and I'm going to buy some batteries and see how these things work. The only thing I don't like, I understand it's high-low. You can adjust it. I've never used these before, ever. Does anybody know what this is for? Is this for a chuck? Because if it's for a chuck, why the hell is everything for a chuck when it's a keyless chuck? I don't get it. I don't get it. But it's got a keyless chuck. I don't think I'll... I might use this. I do have some tile. This has got a lot of crap on it. So I'll probably polish it, give it a spray, paint the top, take this off, give it maybe a media blasting and put it all back together and just paint all the parts. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm going to clean this up and I'll use this as a wall hanger. But yeah, battery goes in here. Pop the battery in. It's all good. I'm going to have some fun with this. Try this out. I'll do a vintage old school Makita cordless tool review. Good part about the thing I like about this, even if it does work, it's cordless, it's handy, and my garage is freezing, and nickel cadmium batteries, like cold, are not as pain in the arse in the cold. So yeah, they tend to work better. My lithium batteries work for like 10 minutes and they all go dead. So I try to leave them, actually I gotta bring those rest of those home. Try to leave them in the house. So yeah, cool, huh? I'm gonna do a video on this. I'll give it a nice cleaning and ta-da! So thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and I'm going home, go to bed now. So toodles.